Hello everyone, and welcome back to another model airplane review. This is the 1/200 scale diecast El Aviador Models TACA Airlines Airbus A320. So stay tuned! So finally it's here. This model has been long overdue. I've been wanting to upload it for quite a while, but unfortunately from the place that I had acquired it, there was some issues with transit or delivery. Thanks to COVID-19, it's delayed a lot of things. But the model's here, very happy about it. And yeah, this is the from El Aviador Models 1/200 scale TACA Airlines Airbus A320. Registration November 682 Tango Alpha. And if some of you have been following my videos, you've known I've already done a review on TACA Airlines Boeing 737, and you know I'm a big fan of TACA Airlines. So when I heard that El Aviador was gonna release this plane, I was very excited. And yeah, just so far, just looking at it, it's really nice. And this livery that this aircraft has was the final livery that TACA Airlines had. It was their final one before merging in 2013 with Avianca. So in this specific aircraft, it joined the fleet in 2008 and then left the fleet in 2015. Before going into a closer view, I just kind of want to show you, just kind of what you get with it, what comes with the box and everything. But so you can see here's the aircraft. Again, I'll do a closer detailed view of it, but it does have removable landing gears, rolling rubber tires. It's got some weight to it too, so that's really nice. So I'm just gonna set the model aside for a sec. And then it comes with this display stand, really nice. And again, since it does have removable landing gears, it does have the landing gear covers. And then when it comes to the box, you can see right in front, nice big picture of the plane. El Aviador Models on the bottom there, Airbus A320. And then looking at the bottom side there. Now it does have Inflight 200 because Inflight 200 did these exclusively for El Aviador Models. Now there's only a limited quantity made of this model, so I'm not sure exactly how many units were made, but I know it's not a lot. So, and that's the back of the box. So now I'm just going to go around the plane and let you enjoy a closer detailed view of it. So there you have it, from El Aviador Models 1/200 scale diecast, TACA Airlines Airbus A320. Registration November 682 Tango Alpha. Overall, I think this is a really good 1/200 scale diecast model aircraft. I think they did an amazing job on this aircraft, very good detail. So I definitely recommend you adding this aircraft to your model airplane collection, especially if you're a fan like me and are collecting the TACA Airlines fleet. This is a must-have to your collection. Again, I know El Aviador Models only made a limited units of this specific model aircraft, so I don't know how many, but definitely I can see it selling out and becoming very rare afterwards. I know El Aviador Models, they're going to be releasing TACA Airlines Boeing 767-300 in their 1/200 scale with their 90s or retro livery, which I'm really looking forward to it. So hopefully there's no delays on the shipping, and once I get my hands on it, I'll definitely be uploading a video on it. But for now, this Airbus A320 is amazing, so highly recommended. So I really hope this video has helped. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if it did, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. So until next time, thank you for watching and take care.